Welcome back to my garage. Today things get kind of fucked up.
I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to meet my friend the Russian, the Irish, the German, the Colombian. I don't care how bad I fuck up. I care about how fucked up I get. I'm not your clown, I'm your dealer. And I'm holding free bottles of bullshit. You're buying them cause you are addicted to the pure, totally uncash. I'm not here to amuse you. I'm here to abuse my body. I'm here because all habits die hard. And seriously, what else am I supposed to do? This is my job, my hobby, my habit, it's sad. This is my life.
These are the new external transfer stub things. And this was supposed to be a T, kind of a small plenum. It failed miserably. I used too large a hole saw. Well, rather the hole saw was the correct size, but it was wobbling too much. Doesn't matter, I have to go into town and pick up some silicone tubing and stuff, and I think I can find aluminium T pieces. This was the only suitable tubing pieces I had, and I wasted that opportunity. Anyways, welcome back to my garage. We're working on the intake system for the new rotary drum valve setup on my prototype Supercharged Nitro 50cc two-stroke engine. Let's split this apart, mount them, and I'll show you how I plan on doing the external transfer system now with the drum valves there. One of these 180-degree bends on each side. This one's hitting the chain. Preferably I want pieces like this in aluminium because of the exhaust heat here. These will connect to a T-piece under here and then into the crankcase. The stub up here that isn't used anymore will be plugged off and used for my pressure sensor, temporary. Just a proof of concept, prototype engine. We'll improve everything when we find something that works good. Not my day today, is it? Started moving in the vise. I'll grab it by the teeth here and let's hope that works better. I realized I can make a new one of these with the T incorporated. In that way I won't have that many junctions between pipes. That'll get far too tight against the chain. Might be enough with an extension like I've mocked up here. I actually think that should work. This side is easier because there's no chain in the way. This is in the evening. I ran out of storage on the camera and time earlier today. What you saw me making on the lathe was that blanking plug for the now not used anymore external transfer. I think all the bits needed are done. Let's do the final assembly, and tomorrow morning we'll start it and see how it behaves. I'm making marks so that I know when the valve is fully closed. It'll make it much easier to time them when they're mounted to the engine. Let's see how tight the chain is with these gaskets. If not enough, I'll add thicker gaskets, and I'll use that as I'll use that for chain tension for now. Might add a tensioner later. I'd say that seems okay. I'll roughly find bottom dead center, and I'll set the valves to be fully closed at that point. It's morning the day after, the water is heating up. We'll soon be ready to test the engine, and as so many times before, we're crossing fingers it won't explode. It works. We can start playing with ignition timing and valve timing and fueling, everything. And we need to make a better exhaust extraction system yet again. Thanks for watching.